Hello everyone, welcome back to M365 Professional. Today we discussed about Microsoft Word versus Google Docs, a comparison in the world of word processing. Two major platforms dominate the market, Microsoft Word and Google Docs. Both tools offer robust features that cater to different user needs. While Microsoft Word has been a long-time leader in document creation, Google Docs has gained popularity due to its cloud-based collaboration capabilities. We explores the key differences between the two, helping you decide which one best suits your requirements. 1. Accessibility and collaboration. Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is a powerful desktop-based application available as part of the Microsoft 365 suite. It also has a web version, but its online collaboration capabilities are not as seamless as Google Docs. For real-time editing and sharing, users need OneDrive or SharePoint integration. Google Docs. Google Docs is entirely cloud-based, allowing users to create, edit, and share documents from any device with an internet connection. Collaboration is effortless, with real-time editing, automatic saving, and easy sharing options via Google Drive. It excels in group work and remote team collaboration. 2. Features and functionality. Microsoft Word offers advanced features like extensive formatting and design options, rich templates and themes, offline access with full functionality, advanced table and image manipulation, built-in mail merge, macros, and add-in strong document protection and encryption. Google Docs focuses on simplicity and ease of use, featuring basic formatting and design tools, templates, but fewer than Word, real-time editing and collaboration, automatic saving and version history. Google Workspace integration, docs, sheets, slides, forms, etc., voice typing and add-ons from the Google Marketplace. 3. Offline use. Microsoft Word. Since Microsoft Word is a standalone application, it works flawlessly offline. Users can edit, save, and format documents without needing an internet connection. Once connected, files can sync via OneDrive. Google Docs. Google Docs is primarily cloud-based but offers offline access if enabled. However, some features may not work without an internet connection, making Word a better choice for offline editing. 4. File compatibility and export options. Microsoft Word supports a wide range of file formats, including .docx, .doc native formats, .pdf, .rtf, .odt, .txt, and more. Can export to multiple formats without losing formatting. Google Docs supports .gdoc native format stored in Google Drive, can export to .docx, .pdf, .odt, .txt, etc. However, complex Word documents may lose some formatting when converted to Google Docs. 5. Cost and pricing. Microsoft Word, available as part of Microsoft 365, which requires a subscription starting from $6.99 month for individuals and $12.50 user month for businesses. One-time purchase options exist but lack cloud-based collaboration features. Google Docs free for personal users with a Google account. Google Workspace, formerly G Suite, offers premium business features starting at $6 user month. 6. Security and privacy. Microsoft Word. Microsoft provides enterprise-level security, including encrypted files stored on OneDrive or SharePoint, password protection for documents, Microsoft Information Protection MIP for BUS. Inus users. Google Docs. Google Docs security is based on Google's cloud infrastructure, including encrypted data storage, two-factor authentication to FA for account protection, limited control over document security compared to Microsoft 365. 7. Integration with other tools. Microsoft Word seamlessly integrates with Microsoft 365 apps like Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, Outlook, and Teams. Works well with third-party apps and Microsoft Power Automate for automation. Google Docs tight integration with Google Workspace, including Sheets, Slides, Gmail, and Meet. Supports third-party add-ons, but lacks deep automation features like Microsoft Power Automate. 8. Ease of use and user experience. Microsoft Word offers a feature-rich but complex interface. May have a learning curve, especially for beginners. Customizable toolbars and ribbon options enhance productivity. Google Docs clean, minimalistic design, easy to navigate with fewer advanced features. Ideal for beginners and quick document creation. Conclusion: which one should you choose? The choice between Microsoft Word and Google Docs depends on your specific needs. Choose Microsoft Word if you need advanced formatting, offline access, document security, and powerful integrations with Microsoft 365 apps. Choose Google Docs if you prioritize real-time collaboration, accessibility, and cost-effectiveness, especially for personal or team-based online work. Both tools have their strengths, and in many cases, users can benefit from using both Word for complex document creation and Google Docs for online collaboration. Ultimately, your workflow and business requirements will determine the best option for you. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe to us for more informative videos. Thank you.